Okay, so you need to buy a brand new Insignia remote. Well, you've come to the right place. Just click on the link below, order it, it ships today. Hi, I'm Carrie with electronicadventure.com, where we have over 300,000 remotes in our warehouse. So whatever kind of remote you need, we have it, and we'll ship it today or next business day. And the great thing about our remotes is that they're brand new. They're not used or refurbished, and they're not universal, which means no codes to program in. All you have to do is put the batteries in and they're ready to go. And when you shop with us, we want you to shop with confidence, so we offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. We also want to save you some money, so when you get to check out and it asks for your coupon code, enter remote and the number 5 and we'll take $5 off your purchase. So again, you need to order a brand new original remote. Click on the link below, order it, it ships today. If you have any questions, call the 800 number that you see on the screen and one of our operators can assist you. Thanks for shopping with us at electronicadventure.com.